Hailed Wall Street Willie, what are the advantages of Forex trading? Since the Forex market is the largest financial market in the world, with trillions of dollars in daily trading volumes, it offers the most liquidity. It's also open 24 hours a day on weekdays, which means you can trade virtually any time of the day. Also, with the internet making it more accessible to retail investors, the threshold for entering the market has reduced considerably. Brokerages offer highly leveraged trades, allowing retail investors to participate in the market with very little capital and a potential for huge gains. Also, it's generally not as strictly regulated as other financial markets. There are no clearinghouses or central governing bodies. Are there any disadvantages? Many of the advantages of the Forex market can also become disadvantages. The market being less regulated makes it risky, as there is no central authority overseeing transactions. Very high liquidity also comes with high volatility compared to other markets. Leverage can also be a double-edged sword. While the potential for profit is high, losses also get magnified. And if an investor's speculation goes wrong, they can lose significant amounts in an instant. Also, other than the potential for appreciation, Forex does not offer regular payouts, like stock dividends or bond interest. Should I invest in the Forex market? While the benefits of the Forex market might seem tempting, for an average individual investor like you and me, Forex trading simply requires far too much time, effort, and knowledge, and comes with very high risk and potential for losses. Also, there are highly qualified professionals working for financial institutions who trade in the Forex market for a living. They have a thorough understanding of the economic and political indicators of various countries and their impact on currency values. It's not easy to compete with these professional traders and make a significant gain, and therefore, it is best for individual investors to stay away from Forex investment. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.